my new 2017 Stranger setup. Alright, starting off with my frame, I got a brand new Nate Color, yeah, that's what I got. Fuck. Alright, I got a brand new Nate Richter Ballast LTD. Comes in a badass sparkly colorway, 20.75 top tube. Feels good and I love it. Coming up to the top, I got Stranger 4-piece bars. Primo logo grips, they feel great, nice and simple. Come to the stem, I got a Stranger Haze stem. Got some oil slick bolts in there to match with the colorway. Looks real nice. For my headset, I've got a Primo sealed headset. For my forks, I have the ballast forks. Simple, clean, very responsive, very strong. For my front wheel, I've got the Primo N4FL V2 with plastic guards. Feels really good, rolls real nice. I got some Primo plastic pegs up front. Always do me right, slide real good. Nice butter boys. And then my front tire, I got the ballast tire, Stranger ballast tire. 2.45 for them beefy boys, you know, street boys. We out here. Alright, for my cranks, I've got the Primo Powerbite V2s. They feel great, super simple, good shape on them, very strong. I got the Primo JJ pedals, pretty good grip. They got great pins. Since I do a lot of crank arms, the pins actually don't wear away as fast. I got a Primo solid sprocket, 25 tooth. Feels really good, nice and simple. Looks amazing on my bike. I got a Colt half link chain. They're an amazing, strong chain. Love that. For my seat, I got a Primo Pro pivotal seat. I switched from tripod to pivotal. I just love the way it looks. Simple with the Primo pivotal post. Coming to my back wheel, I switched from the Primo Premix to a Remix. I am back on cassette. Feels great. Both side guards. Slides real well, rolls really well. Just feels great. I got the Primo plastics in the back too, with another Stranger ballast tire, also 2.45, like I said, for the beefy boys. So yeah, that's my 2017 setup. Shout out to Stranger and Primo for hooking it up, keeping it going clean. And yeah, till next time.